guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own DIY fake nails using cello tape. Yes, so without any further ado, let's get started. But before heading into the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. So here's some things that you'll be needing: a pair of scissors, a cello tape, and a nail paint. I'm using here the Nail Trend Nail Enamel R02 Festive Maroon. So the first step is I'm going to cut out a piece of tape. And I'm going to apply it on my finger. Just take a little closer look. And I'm going to cut out the excess. Make sure it's sticked well. Now if you want your nails to be quite thicker, so you can apply one more layer of tape on it. But I think it's enough for me. Now it's time for you. It's completely up to you, the length and the shape. So I'm going to cut a curve. Just like this. That's pretty good. Now I'm going to repeat this all to my fingers. So guys, I'm done. Now it's time to apply a coat of nail polish. So I'm going to apply a nail polish just like this. So I'm going to apply 2 coats. So guys, I'm done here. So here's the finished look. This is how my nails look like. And no one can't even guess that we have a cello tape fake nails. You should try this out guys. And if you liked the video, and if you did, so please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. So bye guys, stay blessed.